won't be back. You don't have to, won't be back. You don't have to, won't be back. Alright, for this video, I'm thinking about just taking some of the patches I've already made and doing some weird, I don't know, some weird MIDI with it, trying to post-process it. Maybe I'll resample it, see if I can find just something that I can use, maybe turn into a full melody or beat. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see how we go. Right, I'll jump into Serum. Maybe let's try one of my synth presets here. I think I'm just going to key in some MIDI. Now this MIDI isn't going to be like stock standard, just plain old chords. I'm thinking about doing something more lead-like or top line and something a bit weird. Maybe an octave higher. I think what I might do here is make these MIDIs twice as long. What if I take this now, drop it down an octave? Not exactly a, what is it, 8-bar, 4-bar phrase, but I think it'll be fine. I might try and resample this now, put some effects on there, then try and chop it up. Call it resample. I'm going to take the input from melody, so it's this one here. Call it that. And I also want to put portal. Bring this down, lock parameter value. Maybe I'll just start with the basic ones. Just click on this one. Let it play once through first. Ooh. All right, that'll do for that. And then I'll consolidate these and bring them into let's go through. I'll consolidate them, then I'll bring it into simpler, I think. Try and slice it up. All right, let's try this. Maybe let's work our way back. Slice, beat, let's do half notes. And I might just bring it down straight away. Let's go like 8 semitones. Turn this down so it's just the same volume each time. Bring this up to 0. Like that one. Might be able to use that later. Let's go through and try and find some more. That's another one. Let's keep going through, see how many we can find. Okay, what I might do, I might group all this, just save it as original. Turn all that off. I'm going to take, I think I want to work this idea into something else. Try and build upon it. Let's try this one. Let's try and do another chop here. Maybe we'll just take this initial crazy ARP section. Take that off. Okay, let's drag that in there. Beat, half. Quantize it. That's not bad. Oh, I might try and build some stuff around this now. Fill it out, turn it into a beat. Let's start with a 808. Right, this one. What I might do is drag in this drum loop. OLU beats sessions drum loops OLU. So now should have the groove from the drum loop here. And I'll put that on this bass. Okay, let's see what that sounds like down an octave. Might have to do some filtering here. Let's try putting a vocal in. Put on just my reverb and delay rack. Let's bring this in. Try and find a better vocal here. What if we bring this as for the intro? And what if we let's take this bit out and put in the "you don't have to call me back." Copy that, put that at the end there. Okay, let's try that. All right, I think that might do me for this one. I'll give you a little rundown of what I started with and where I ended. So I started with this kind of crazy sort of up patch. Let me give that a play. And then just resampled that out, took a bunch of chops and came up with a couple of different chops. These are ones I didn't use. And this one. And in the end, I think I went with 2 different chops. Maybe what I'll do is I'll just duplicate these out, unfreeze them, and I'll take them out of this group so there's no filtering on it, so you can hear what they sound like before and after. Just like a nice sort of pad sound. And then this top layer. And then both together. And then with the whole melody. Yeah, so it's pretty crazy when you go from this, let me turn this on, and then just resampling it, putting some effects on, chopping it up, and then you get this. Which works well in the mix in this song, I think. So, yeah, thanks for watching. I'll give it a playthrough now so you can hear it, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.